Unlock the art of conversation. The Ping-Pong Method. Welcome. Have you ever found it challenging to get someone, especially a shy person, to open up and share more? Today, we're diving into a fantastic technique I call the Ping-Pong Method. A simple yet powerful way to keep conversations flowing naturally and comfortably for everyone involved. This method isn't about physical ping-pong, but about the back-and-forth rhythm of a great chat. It's designed to help you build rapport, discover common ground, and enjoy more meaningful interactions. Let's explore how this engaging approach can transform your social skills and connect you with others. Sa by Sada SD Asdazd. Understanding the Ping-Pong Method. You ask. Initiate with an open-ended question to invite a response. They answer. Listen actively and receive their contribution to the conversation. You elaborate and ask again. Comment on their answer. Share a related thought. Then ask a follow-up question. The ball keeps bouncing. Continue this rhythm, ensuring both parties contribute and the conversation stays natural. The ping-pong method creates a dynamic exchange, ensuring the conversation feels less like an interview and more like a genuine dialogue. By building on their answers, you show you're truly engaged and interested, encouraging them to share more. It's all about collaborative conversation. The pitfalls. What not to do. The interview trap. Asking a rapid-fire series of unrelated questions without any personal commentary or shared thoughts. This makes the other person feel interrogated. Abrupt topic changes. Immediately jumping to a new subject after their answer, rather than building on what they just said. This indicates a lack of genuine interest. One-sided conversation. Failing to contribute your own experiences or perspectives, making it solely about them. Remember, they want to get to know you too. Avoid these common mistakes to ensure your conversations flow smoothly and authentically. The goal is connection, not a cross-examination. A true ping-pong game requires both players to hit the ball back. Mastering the ping-pong method. An example. What not to do. You. What do you do for work? Them. I work as a bartender at Highland. What about you? You. Bad reply. I'm a barista. Do you have any pets? This approach quickly changes the subject, signaling a lack of engagement with their previous answer. It feels like you're just waiting for your turn to ask the next question, rather than listening. What to do. You. What do you do for work? Them. I work as a bartender at Highland. What about you? You. Good reply. I'm a barista. Oh, I love Highland, you guys make the best cocktails. What's your favorite drink on the menu to make? This response acknowledges their answer, adds your own relevant experience, and then asks a related follow-up question. This keeps the conversation flowing naturally on the same topic, building connection. By engaging with their response and sharing a piece of yourself, you create a more natural and enjoyable conversation. This method helps you discover shared interests and deepen the interaction effortlessly. Beyond ping-pong. Enhancing your conversations. Use humor. A touch of humor can lighten the mood and make conversations more enjoyable and memorable. Eye contact. Maintain natural, not forced, eye contact to show you're present and listening attentively. Use their name. Subtly incorporating the other person's name makes the conversation feel more personal and engaging. Confident body language. Open posture, relaxed gestures, and a genuine smile convey confidence and approachability. While the ping-pong method is a fantastic foundation, these additional tips can elevate your conversational skills even further. Remember, it's about making others feel comfortable and valued in your presence. My personal experience. The Uncle John story. I once met Uncle John at a family event. He was typically quiet, seeming like a tough, motorcycle-riding, factory worker. Intrigued, I decided to try the ping-pong method. He was polite, but brief, until I asked about his cats. Suddenly, a whole new Uncle John emerged. He and his wife had adopted several strays, and he started gushing about them. I kept asking questions. Where did you get them? Do they need vet visits? How many do you have? And adding my own small comments about pets. He elaborated more with each question, becoming increasingly animated. At one point, he even used his hands to show me how cute one of his cats was. This biker guy was now talking more than anyone else at the party, all thanks to a shared love for felines. It took about 15 minutes for Uncle John to open up, but it was incredibly rewarding. This experience truly highlighted the power of asking the right questions and showing genuine interest. You never know what fascinating stories people hold until you give them a chance to share. Made with Ganana. The power of discovery. Lessons learned. Unveiling hidden depths. People often have surprising passions beneath their quiet exteriors. The ping-pong method helps uncover these delightful revelations. Building authentic connections. By showing genuine interest, you forge stronger, more meaningful bonds, transcending initial assumptions. Empowering others to share. Your thoughtful questions create a safe space for even the shyest individuals to express themselves freely. Catalyst for great conversations. This simple technique can transform awkward silences into hours of engaging dialogue on topics people truly enjoy. My conversation with Uncle John taught me that taking the first step and engaging with curiosity can lead to incredible discoveries about anyone. The beauty of a good conversation lies in its ability to reveal the richness of human experience. Your next step: join the Brain Bootcamp. Ready to deepen your social skills and unlock more exciting conversations? I've created a special 4-day Brain Bootcamp just for you. In this bootcamp, you'll receive 4 exclusive videos on 4 important topics, with the second one specifically dedicated to social skills, even touching on dating tips. Learn more about the other 3 fascinating topics and everything I have to share about mastering social interactions. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're inspired to use the ping-pong method in your own life and enjoy many more great chats. I look forward to seeing you in the bootcamp.